So I've just copy pasted these two visuals. This is a table and this is a table containing subcategory with the sales amount, subcategory with the sales amount. Let me click on this and go to filter. So I'm doing filter on this visual because I want to apply the filter on this particular visual, that to a top and filter. So once I pick a top and filter, it is asking you like show the items top three. I want to see top three, and it is asking you based on what you want to select. So do you want to select top three based on the sales amount or the unit price or whatever numerical values you can take. So let me take a sales amount and drop that into by value. So once I put that by the sales amount, so it will just look at the sales amount and it will filter out the top three. Once I click on apply filter, you can see that. Once I click on apply filter, you can see you get only three top subcategories or three products which are in the top list. So similarly, you can do that for the bottom also. There is a beautiful feature. Similarly, go to subcategory, take a filter type as a top end filter type, and then it is showing you the option, do you want a top items or do you want a bottom items? I want bottom three, so just take bottom three and based on the sales amount just drag and drop the sales amount and click on apply filter. So now these three are your bottom three subcategories. I'll just copy it and take a new visual. In this visual, I'll remove all the filters. Now you can just, let me remove this. Yeah, now you can see this as your entire subcategory, and this is your top three categories, and this is your bottom three subcategories. This is how top and filter works.